Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I forgot to put my freaking thing on again. Do you think I'll ever remember? When I was across the house, that bad boy just stayed on. Also, let's not talk about that you can see my bra straps. I am sadly not a proud owner of a strapless bra. I really need to get one, but this is like the only off-the-shoulder shirt I own, so it's fine. Don't look at them, okay? I'm trying to conceal them. But hello, if you are new here, just stopping by, what's up? I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed to me, my channel, our family here. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers, and we are currently on the road to 500, which is just freaking mind-blowing, but yeah, that's awesome. I already have my eyes primed, but please stick around if you would like to see me go from this to this. Yes, we're feeling it. Yes, this might be like my favorite lip that I've done in a minute. I don't know why. I'm feeling it. Yeah, go back to the intro. Yeah. How we feel about that transition? Second time trying it. I hope it worked out better this time, but who knows? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, somehow I'm pasty as pasty could get, and I have a tan line from going swimming a few weeks ago. I got ridiculously sunburnt, which is what all these cute freckles on my shoulders are from. They're, yeah, I don't have freckles. I didn't ever have freckles, but every year now I get really sunburnt and they just appear, so hopefully, I was wearing sunscreen, by the way, don't come for me. So, let's get into the video. So, you already know from the title, but today I wanted to play with my Modern Renaissance palette. If you don't have this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and you like warm tones, honey. Okay, y'all know this isn't my favorite Anastasia palette. It's honestly the Alyssa Edwards palette, but this is a close second. I really like it, and I'm feeling the burgundy since I'm not wearing black for once, so I figured we could play around in this. To start out with, I'm going to, I think I already said it, but if not, I have my eyelids primed with the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. I got my skanky towel out, and we're doing good. So, I am actually going to start by taking Warm Taupe, and I'm kind of running that into my crease, and a little bit above it I'm just blending it ever so slightly just to map out where I want my crease, and on top of that to, you know, get the pigment started. But once the color starts turning on my brush, I'm gonna start going in wider and wider windshield wiper motions and just blur that line out a little bit. So now I'm gonna take Realgar, this one. It looks orange, kinda is. It's like a burnt, crispy orange. And I'm gonna place this on my outer edge and kind of stamp it through the crease. Not my best work, but it's okay. We're gonna blend. That probably looked ridiculous, but if you're having problems where like your eyeshadow just looks a little messy or something like that, and you're just not happy with how it turned out, might I suggest, because I used to adamantly say I would never do it. I used to always say I would never do my eyes first. I don't like doing it. And now pretty much if I'm doing like any type of eyeshadow that's not just like a few quick swipes of something in my crease, I do my eyes first. And it's really just because I got sick of trying to clean up fallout. I didn't want to deal with all the mess, and it's easier to clean up when you do your eyes first. So try doing your eyes first, 1, and 2, go a little slower. Take your, ooh, my head's itchy. Take your time blending and just go with the flow. Go at your own pace. It's totally fine to be slow. I go slow as hell. Most of my makeup videos ended up being like 15 minutes long. Bitch, I'm filming for like an hour and a half, so I'm just letting you know. Take your freaking time. The more time you take with your makeup, most of the time, at least in my experience, the better it looks. It almost always just looks like Perfect. So, just take your time. That's pretty well blended how I want it to be blended. So now I'm going to take on the same brush, I'm going to go in with red ochre, which is just like a little bit more red. And I'm going to layer that pretty much in the same spot that I just put Railgar, however you say it, and I'm just putting it a little lower but in the same area. And I'm just gonna kind of push side to side. This is where it comes in handy doing your eyes first, because I can feel eyeshadow hitting my face. And like I said, once you get the product placed, you can kind of chip away at it like this. Is pretty much all I'm doing, is up and down motions, and blend it out. We're gonna go in with a clean crease brush, and I'm gonna take Love Letter and a little bit of Venetian Red, which is just more of a burgundy tone, and I'm gonna kind of layer that in. Yeah, yes. So get to blending, and I'm pretty much just putting that over my entire lid and into my crease, and just kind of fusing all of those colors together. I'm not focusing on getting like all of my lid completely covered. It's really just getting covered from where I'm trying to blend this shite all out. Now I'm gonna take a clean brush. I'm pretty sure it's clean, but just in case, I'm gonna swatch it. Also, Dollar Tree color switch knockoff, $1, loving my life. So with just a clean, this is just a ginormous freaking fluffy brush, I'm just gonna hit the edges and blend it out a little bit more. And like I said, this is where doing your eyes first comes in. You can clean this shit up real easy, because right now I'm feeling very grungy, but I keep doing grunge looks. I mean, I haven't gotten a comment like, bitch, stop with the grunge, but I don't know. That's for a different video. We'll discuss that. I'm trying not to do just grunge looks anymore. So, okay, I'm gonna quickly, some bitch throw stuff. I'm gonna quickly cut my crease out. And I just use a white concealer. I saw a thing on TikTok where people are cutting your crease with Vaseline. And in theory that would work, because that's like a very oily product and oil breaks down makeup. But at the same time, y'all are putting Vaseline right in your crease. And like, I realized you're supposed to like wipe it off. But there's always remnants of Vaseline, like even when you put it on your lips. And I feel like that would make your makeup crease. I don't know. I'm gonna cut mine. I'm not gonna do it all the way across. I never do. Yeah. There you go. That's because it's going to get right now. That does not have to be perfect in any way, shape, or form. Never think that, honey. Mama's shit is never straight. Does not have to be perfect. Now, I'm just going to take... I really need to clean my brushes. Yeah, so I'm trying to keep my lid a little more closed than I normally would, but you know how that goes. And now I'm just really trying to decide how sassy I want to be today. I want to do gold. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Primavera, right, which is a gold, and these shadows are incredibly soft. They just like kind of fall apart, whatever. And I'm gonna go in with a dry brush first, and I'm just honestly packing it over that concealer, so my concealer won't crease. We'll worry about pigmentation later. Right now, just get the concealer set down so your face doesn't, you know, get destroyed. So now if you want to, you can either, if that's not, you know, gold enough for you, I think I'm just gonna probably hit this with my finger and stamp it on a little bit more. I really just want shimmer right there. So once you build that up, you can wet your brush, you can use your finger, you can use a different eyeshadow and build it up, whatever you're wanting to do there. Do that until you're content with that. And then I'm gonna take a mix of red ochre, Venetian red, and Love Letter, just like a little, and all three, And I'm gonna very softly hit up that edge where we stopped the concealer. So now I'm gonna take Cypress Umber. Oh no, I dumped it in the wrong thing. Cypress Umber, the brown, y'all, the brown. And I'm just gonna add this right on that outer edge and kind of, you know, back and forth, just deepen it. I'm not going through my crease with the Cypress Umber because I don't want that red undertone to be covered at all. So now that we're here, we're looking a little wild. I'm going to hop off of the screen, catch up my other eye, put on some face makeup and my eyebrows, of course, and we will be back and I will fix the rest of my face. But really quick, if you just want to, if you're like curious on how I clean this shit up, do not do what I do. I have zero regard for my skin. I'm just preparing for wrinkles. It's fine. Don't do what I do. I just take my ratty ass hand towel that I keep on my desk and I wrap it around my finger and I whoop and clean it up. Do not do that. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, I guess, but please don't do that. Please get like a makeup wipe or makeup remover and like something. Don't do that though. So now that our face is cleaned up a little bit, I'm gonna go do all that shit I just said and then we will be right back. What's up? We's back. We's put a little bit more together. We feeling a little bit better about ourselves, which is good. Why am I so bajiggity and shaky? It's okay. Let's finish out this look. So now that we have our face makeup on, we got to be a lot more careful with what is happening on our body, on our face, in this area. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm going to take a mix of Love Letter, Venetian Red, and Red Ochre, just like we did up yonder. And I'm just going to buff that on my lower lash line. Beautiful. Doesn't it look beautiful, guys? On a tiny little detailing smudgy brush, I'm going to take Cypress Umber. Remember that hella dark shade we added up yonder? Why do I keep saying up yonder? Somebody stop me. And I'm just going to add that to the very outer edge as some depth. Trying to keep things as even as possible around here. So now that that's done, we're pretty much done with all the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is never even the difficult part, it's the damn eyeliner. I'm trying to decide if I want to do black in my waterline or if I want to do nude. What do you guys think? I wish you could freaking answer. I'm gonna do nude. I almost always do black. I might not do nude. Oh my god, go back. Thank you, Lord. I'm gonna do nude. I feel like I always do black. I'm just gonna hit up my lower waterline. The next thing I'm gonna do is my eyeliner, like my liquid eyeliner and my eyelashes. I'm gonna do a wing. I'm going to attempt to do not a ginormous ring. I'm gonna try really hard not to do a humongous wing. I'm gonna be using my Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. All-time favorite Holy Grail eyeliner. Sweet Jesus, I'm pretty sure this has been in several of my giveaways by now. English is hard today. Anyway, I'm gonna do, hopefully, just a normal sized wing. We don't have to do anything extra over here. I'm gonna do a healthy coating of the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Mine's always waterproof. Mine's always like the blackest black midnight, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm gonna take some of these. These are the Salon Perfect Demi Wispies, and I'm just gonna apply those onto my, obviously onto my top lash line. And I use the Duo Quick Set Lash Glue. So yes, let me hop off of the screen again and do that. I know I always cut that out, but I swear if I left it in, all you would see is like my forehead. So I just assume you don't want to see it. I just assume. Might be wrong of me. I'm really trying so hard to hide my freaking bra straps. Whatever. Let me hop off, do that, and we'll come back to finish out the look. Yay! We're back again. I'm putting my rings back on because I felt naked. Anywho, this shirt. How do people wear off the shoulder shirts and still like live their life? I don't know. Are my wings even? Absolutely not. Were you even expecting them to be even at this point? You shouldn't. Yeah, lipstick for today. I know what you're thinking. Jennifer, you always do a nude or a red. Well, sometimes I pull out a black and I just feel really badass when I have black lipstick on. But I'm bringing back an old favorite. This is Anastasia. She's very Anastasia Day. This is one of their liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Allison. It looks very odd in the tube. It does not dry down that way. This dries down to like a burnt, dark, red brown. Go with it. I'm gonna put this on. Yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it while you were watching. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, doing a giveaway, 500 subscribers. We're getting really stinking close. I'm getting really freaking excited. Hopefully, I will have my shit together a little bit more and we won't have to do a drugstore giveaway, even though I prefer drugstore makeup almost always over high-end makeup. Hopefully, I don't know. I have so much stuff in my Ulta cart right now, y'all. It's like $2,000, but it's okay. We'll have to like save for later a few of them and get it in a few different orders. But this is it for the video. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and you can always leave me a comment down below with anything you'd like to see, whether it's makeup or like anything else. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below because I like talking to you guys. It really makes my day, and yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and yeah, God with the rambling. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.